No matter how much money you have or how involved in art you've been before, anyone can start creating or enjoying art. Whether it's visiting art galleries, making artist friends, or even creating your own masterpiece, art is accessible to everyone, and in this video, I'll show you how. Stick around till the end, and I'll share easy ways to integrate art into your life, even if you've never held a paintbrush. Let's start with a simple truth. Art isn't exclusive to the rich, the educated, or the elite. Art is for anyone who is willing to open their mind and experience it. You don't need to be a millionaire or a Picasso to enjoy or create it. From street art to galleries, there are countless ways to experience art without spending a fortune. Are you already making time for art in your life? Let me know in the comments. Art doesn't just make your space look better, it can actually help you feel better. Studies have shown that engaging with art reduces stress, increases happiness, and promotes mindfulness. When you're surrounded by art, it helps shift your focus away from daily stressors. That's why art has been a healing practice for centuries. Ever wonder why the wealthiest people collect art? It's not just about showing off wealth. Collecting art is about building a connection with culture, history, and creativity. You don't have to start by buying million-dollar pieces. Whether it's small prints, local artwork, or even art books, you can build your collection over time. And let's be honest, nothing makes your living space feel more sophisticated than a few well-placed pieces of art. So, you're ready to dive in, but how do you actually start creating art? And more importantly, how do you make it a part of your daily life? Well, here's the thing. You don't need to be Picasso or Leonardo da Vinci on day one. In fact, maybe you are the next Kandinsky, but you'll never know unless you start. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Start small. If painting seems overwhelming, try sketching. Grab a pencil and paper and start doodling. Maybe start with simple shapes, nature, or even abstract patterns. If you're more into digital art, apps like Procreate or Adobe Fresco are amazing places to experiment without the mess. You can create art on your phone or tablet while you're sitting on the couch. Love photography? Use your smartphone camera to capture moments of beauty. Start with what you know, even if it's just photographing your dog or morning coffee. It's all art. Writing more your thing, poetry, short stories, or even journaling can tap into that creative side. Make it a daily or weekly challenge to create something. And hey, there are no rules. Start with just 10 minutes a day. The point is, make art a habit. Carve out a little time for it every day or even once a week. You don't need a huge studio or expensive supplies. Start with whatever you've got, build from there, and just have fun with it. Maybe you'll find that creativity flows easier than you thought, and who knows, you could end up being the modern-day master artist. Not all art is created equal. Let's talk about the difference between high-quality, valuable art and so-called trash art. High-quality art connects with people on an emotional or intellectual level. It stands the test of time and makes you feel something. On the other hand, trash art often tries to be shocking without substance, offering little more than a quick gimmick. The key is learning to recognize and appreciate art that resonates with you, not just what's trending. Which kind of art do you prefer, classic or modern? Comment below. The aesthetics of the space around you can directly impact how you feel. That's why surrounding yourself with beautiful art can shift your mindset. Imagine walking into a room with dull, blank walls versus walking into a space filled with inspiring artwork. The energy is completely different, and it affects your mood and productivity. Incorporating art into your life, whether you're creating it or simply appreciating it, can change the way you see the world. So go ahead, visit that local gallery, pick up that paintbrush, or start collecting art that speaks to you. You'll be amazed at how it can elevate your mental health and overall well-being. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. What's your favorite type of art? Drop a comment below and let's discuss.